Hey guys, how we doing? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a texture to a 3D object within ARKit using Swift. What you want to do first is go ahead and set up your AR application, and then we'll get going from there. We're just going to be building a simple sphere and then adding the texture after that. First thing I usually do once I get inside my view controller, I go ahead and get rid of any unnecessary code, that way it's not in the way, and let's get started. Once you finish that, you want to go ahead and put a texture in your art.scn assets folder, and where it says your texture name, you want to put in the name of your texture plus the appendage, for example .jpeg or .png. The reason we're using UI image instead of UI color in the material.diffuse.contents part is because we're going to be using an actual image for our texture instead of just the UI color red, so that's why we need the UI image. After I finished calling the adding sphere function and setting up my AR scene frame, I added my Mars texture. After I've finished adding in my Mars texture, I go to where it says your texture name, and I'm going to rename it to the name of my texture, which is mars.jpg or mars.jpg. And kablamo! You now know how to make a sphere and texture it too, and present it in ARKit. Even better. If you liked today's video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you haven't already, check out my Swift playlist if you want to see some more awesome ARKit videos and what I've got coming up next for the channel. So, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, y'all.